The Michigan Aerospace Foundation is working to rebuild the Yankee Air Museum, tragically destroyed by fire in 2004. Our museum is located at historic Willow Run Airport, seen here through the clouds. Come with us now for a 2-minute drive-through of the reconstituted museum, as envisioned in computer animation form by our architects. Here's where the old museum was located, on the northwest corner of Willow Run Airport. You can see the footprint of the museum building that burned down. Now look at the plan for the new museum complex, to be built in stages, starting with the first 3 buildings in the center of this shot. Let's now drop down to see what this complex will look like. Note the architectural style, straight out of the 1940s, and so very authentic to the era we're trying to represent with our museum. Here we come alongside the new complex from the south, with its interconnected buildings that will contain both exhibits and working aircraft facilities, all accessible to the public. We're now approaching Beck Road and the main entrance to the museum. We're now passing under a restored plane, and then in the distance we can see the new museum's visitor center. The General Motors Foundation has endowed this building. Look on your left as we pass the flagpoles. There's the first building now sitting on our campus. It's the 1930s Ford Willow Run Schoolhouse, restored to its original condition. It's to become the museum's education center and is currently in place on the site. The doors of the visitor center open to us and we're inside. Straight ahead through the back windows of the visitor center, you'll see a courtyard with another restored historic aircraft. On the left of this courtyard is the planned main hangar, where the museum's 4 flyable aircraft will be parked between flights, joined by a number of our restored static display planes. The hangar will be open to the public and will include interesting exhibits as well as the planes. We now leave the Yankee Air Museum Visitor Center. The museum previewed here will be built, but we need your help. Please click on our How You Can Help section of this website and make a donation to the Yankee Air Museum. Your assistance will ensure that this segment of our country's history will be preserved for future generations. And as we say at the museum, help keep 'em flying.